Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I am back with card number 3 from our online class using the Circle Sayings bundle. If you'd like more information on how to join my online class, in the description box below are links to my Facebook page, my YouTube page, and my blog, and all those places have information on how to join my online class, so you can check out them. So let's get started. This is the card that we're going to make. Is it not cool? I just love this card. So, okay, so the first thing that we got to do is we got to do some embossing. So I used these 2 embossing folders. I'm going to have to put links to their names because I didn't label these ones yet like I did the one in the last one. I believe this one is an online exclusive, which I will link that to. And then you have this one here, which are the flowers. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to take the polka dotted one, and we're going to put the mauvey, Moody Mauve piece of paper. And these are all pre-cut for you. And the one that says Stampin' Up! Is the upper half. And you can put this down. We'll put this on like this, a sandwich. And again, we're going to do number 1, and then your template or your embossing folder, and then number 2. Run it through your machine. It comes out like this with all the little dots. Isn't that cool? And then we are going to take the flowered one, which I'll get all these names, like I said, and I'll write it down. And we're going to take the smoky slate piece, and we're going to put that one right down. And we're going to sandwich that piece through. I just wanted to give texture to the design, to the card. Okay, and that looks like that. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to start putting this thing together. So we're going to take some, you can either use liquid glue, which when I do embossed items, I like to use the liquid glue. So we're going to just put, there it comes, put some liquid glue. You don't need a lot of, this glue is very, very strong glue. I love this glue. And we're going to just leave a little bit of a border on the side. Okay. And then I like to space these out before I actually put them, before I glue, to make sure I have everything going in the right direction and the way I want it, and leave the spaces between. And I like to start with the top and the bottom first. So put some glue on the bottom of this one. And I line it up with the bottom. I leave a very little, I try to keep the same equal amount on each side. This one probably could have went over a little bit more on mine, but it'll still be okay. This will still work. It's a homemade card, everybody. Oops, I'm doing just what I said not to do. So used to just going right in a row. And then I'm going to take this one and I'll line this one up with the top. There we go. Trying to keep equal amounts. And then we'll put this one right in the middle. Just like that. There we go. So now we have that. Then you have 2 circles, and we're going to take this circle first and we're going to do some stamping. So I'm going to take the Moody Mauve here, and I'm taking in that set, it says celebrate, 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 all in a little circle here. And we're going to find the center. Sorry if my head's in the way, or if this is There we go. Stamp that down. Not too bad. Then we're going to take the little cupcake that's in the set. Now, if I've done another card that I did with this cupcake, I think I've shared it, so check it out. I'll do that. All right, and now we're going to do some coloring. And I'm going to tell you the colors because I'll probably fast forward through this and I'll zoom you in. This is the light Moody Mauve. And then the cupcake part is SU 100. If you don't have them, find another, like maybe Crumb Cake Dark, or maybe the, what's one of the new colors that we have? What's this one? Pebble Path might be a good one. And then Bubble Bath Light. So I'm going to start off with the crumb cake, or the brown first. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to attach these two together. Okay. Just like so. Actually, that didn't really, I wasn't very even on this. Can I peel it up still, or is it going to wrinkle my design? No? Okay. I didn't really get it too centered on there. There we go. That's better. Now we're going to bring this back in. We're going to take some dimensionals, and we're going to probably put 4 on here. 1 on each side, and 1 in the middle. I don't know. I'd rather have enough than not enough. I don't want it sagging. Okay. And then we're going to set this right here, just like that. And then this is an old Stampin' Up! Punch also. It's a little flowered punch. I punched out a bunch of these if you are in the online class for you. And then what we're going to do is we are going to take a pencil. And I'm done with this mauve color. Let's make sure it has a good eraser on it. I like to kind of wipe it off a little bit on a piece of paper. I do sample it too a couple times on my, yep, there we go. And then I'm just going to dab this in the center to give it a color. You could, you know, do whatever color. I just wanted to do the light to kind of pull in that other pink. When you're done, I just keep wiping it and it just comes off. Oh no, it just comes off. And I do it on the sides and everything, and then you can use it on another project. You could do, there's probably other tools, but I had a pencil, so there we go. Then we're going to attach these down. Again, get your liquid glue. Give it a good little tap tap. And just put some glue on these petals. I put one here. And then I'm going to put a couple down here at the bottom. And then I got 2 of these that I'm going to flip over. And I'm going to get my pokey tool here. And I'm going to add, I'm going to add the dimensional to them. Okay, and then we're going to take, sorry if you heard my dog. I And then we're going to take and add we're going to add 3 of these to this. Okay. And there we go. That is the end of card number 3. I'll be back with card